What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sunny and you're watching Steam and Shine. So today we have another special car that has just come at the studio to get some paint protection film on it, and the car in question is basically a Bentley Continental GT, as you can see right behind me. So this is a few years old. This car is not new, so we have to do a lot of paint correction on it before we start the work. So let me quickly take you around the car and show you what the paint's condition is right now, and I'll show you the steps later, and also how we install the PPF, and we'll show you the final results of it. So stay tuned till the end. We've just parked the car inside, but if you look at the paint closely, you'll see all these swirl marks and scratches. There are a lot of deep scratches also on the paint, so we'll have to get rid of those. So we'll be removing all these defects, and also if you look at the wheels, the brake calipers need some attention. Actually, these swirl marks are on the entire car if you look. So the car looks very cool, but we have to make it look even better. So we'll be doing a lot of paint correction steps on it, and also install the PPF on it. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because we'll be covering all those points, all those steps, how everything is done, and I'll also reveal the car once the paint protection film has been installed. And see you in the next bit. Alright, I just showed you how the PPF was installed on a couple of panels, the hood and the rear quarter panel. I couldn't show the entire thing because it's a procedure that takes days and it's a team effort, and I didn't want to interrupt the boys by shooting videos, and it delays the car as well. so I didn't want to disturb the workflow. So but anyway, the car is ready. But before I show you this car, let me show you what's behind me. There's a new GLC 43 AMG that has just come in for paint protection film. Let me quickly show you that car before I show you the Bentley, and we'll move on to that first. So this has just come in and it looks beautiful. It's got a lovely color, and I like the fastback shape of this entire roof line. It swoops down, looks really cool. And this is the GLC 43 AMG. And look at these quad exhaust tips. It sounds really sweet. Let me also show you the car from inside. This is what the key looks like. And as soon as you open the door, you are greeted with this AMG logo on the screen. It's got black interior with red stitching, and the seats are Alcantara. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but it's very nice Alcantara leather over here. It's got nice wood grain finish on the door trims, and the center console and of course the steering wheel, aluminum and leather, looks very cool. Let me show you the rear space as well. Sorry, it's a little dark inside, you can't see much. Alright, now it's time to see the Bentley. The PPF has been done, and let me quickly show you what the car looks like after the whole procedure and the PPF application. Alright guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that a car like Bentley, it has huge panels. So the fender, if you look at the fender over here, it starts from here and goes all the way up till here in a single piece. So mostly what happens is, when you use a pre-cut PPF, it will create a line over here. So you can put one panel on top and you can wrap the second one around here. So it creates a joint. The benefit of doing a custom fit is that there are no joints on this fender. It starts from here, it's seamless. There's not even a single joint anyway over here or over here. It's all done in single piece. So that's the benefit of going for a custom fit when it comes to PPF. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We keep on getting these cool cars, so we'll try to shoot more videos in the future, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. See you in the next video.